In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find NFC on iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which iPhone model you have, you can easily locate the NFC options. So in general, NFC is always going to be enabled, so as soon as you bring an NFC tag near your iPhone, it is going to give you the prompt and you will be able to have it scanned. But if you want to have more control over the NFC options and scan a tag manually whenever you wish, then what you have to do is download the Shortcuts app. This seems to be the most reliable and straightforward way to get it done. So instead of going over to the settings on the iPhone, open the App Store and look for the Shortcuts app by Apple themselves. So download Shortcuts, and now at the bottom of the screen, go over to the Automation tab. When you access Automation, if it's your first time using the app, you will see the prompt to create a new one. So click here, or if you have already used it before, just look for the plus sign to add a new automation to the app. In here, you can find plenty of categories. The main use of Shortcuts is to respond to a prompt. So whenever a specific action happens, something else will happen. So a trigger happens and then something else. But you will notice that one of the categories under automations is NFC. And if you tap this, you can actually find the option to scan an NFC tag manually whenever you want. So all that you have to do is tap Scan next to NFC tag, and this will bring up the Ready to Scan prompt. Hold your device near the NFC tag and it will be scanned. There's no secret to this. You have some other options like Run after confirmation or Run immediately. This is usually related to the Shortcuts app, but you can configure it here if you prefer. And like I said before, if you want to create a shortcut, then just add it here, set up the prompt, and set up the action that is going to take effect after the NFC tag. But for most people, if all you want to do is scan it, then use this option here under When. So I hope I was able to help you. Before I end the video, something that I've noticed when I check the channel metrics is that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you are able to help us achieve higher quality in our videos and give you the best, most up-to-date answers regarding any sort of subject, including iOS devices, of course. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.